Hi friends, this is Rockies here. I'm here to solve the Nerdle of the day for July 9th, 2025. So this is a math-based Wordle that has the numbers and the math operations which can be solved an equation which can give out the most blue or red. So I'm going to first type the equation is 57 minus 15 minus 26 equals 31. Okay, so the minus got it, 7, 6, and equals is at the solution, but in the wrong spot. So I'm going to put a minus, it's on the third spot right here. So I think 7 could be either 7, 6, and equals in the solution, but I'm going to try these other numbers. I think could be either 4 or 8 or 9 or 0, or could be either use a plus, multiply, or divide. So I think 7 could be either the first spot, the second spot, the third spot, or the fourth spot. Either first spot, the fourth spot, fifth spot, sixth spot, or the eighth spot. 6 could be either first, second spot, third, fourth spot, sixth spot, or the eighth spot. So I'm going to think of it. So I'm but rather would be right as could be 74 minus 70. Okay, so I could be right 96 minus 70. 96 minus 79. I don't think so. It could be 96 minus 94. 94 plus 4 equals 8. So I'm going to write that 96 minus 94 plus 4. Okay, so this is not valid, right? That, so I'm going to write 96 divided by 48. I don't think so. I'm going to write 84. Alright, so I'm going to write like that. So 90 divided by 9. I'm going to write 90 divided by 9 minus 4 equals 6. So can I try like that? So 90 divided by 9 minus 4 equals 6. Let's try that. Oh, look at that. 0 divided by a 9 is not in the solution. So 6 is also in the wrong spot. So I'm going to think of it. So equals is at the right spot. So I'm going to think, so 9 could be either the second spot. 9 could be either the second spot, the fourth spot, the fifth spot, So I'm going to say something minus this, and it could be either plus like that. Could be either plus something equals to that. So let me write that equation down. So I'm going to write 76 minus 49. Okay, so write 76 minus So I could be either 49. Alright, so I'm thinking of it. So 44 minus 9. 44 minus 9 plus. So I'm going to write again. So 0 is not in the solution. So I'm going to remove that. So So only 4 could be 6 or 7. So 4 is in the solution. So, and 9 is at the solution. But 8 is still there, but I'm going to think of it could be either, so divide is not in the solution. So I'm going to write of it. So I'm going to write like that. So, alright. I'm going to think of it. 44 minus 9 plus, this is too tricky, isn't it? Alright, so I'm going to try 68 minus 68 minus, okay, 68 minus 68 minus 6 plus 68 minus 6. This one is tough, isn't it? So let's try 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 7 equals 28. And then 4 times 7 equals 28. Okay, I'm going to write it. So I'm going to think of it. So I'm going to write 4 times 10 divide 8 equals 5. Okay, so 5 is not in a solution. So 5 is not in a solution, and 8 is also not in a solution. So okay, so multiply is included. So I'm going to write multiply right that. So I'm going to write, so 4 is at the right spot. Let me think. Let's write 49. 49 minus 49 minus this one's tough. Oh, alright, so 4 is the right spot, so I'm going to think of a multiply. So I'm going to write 49. Let's write 49 minus 7 and then times by 6. So I need to do the order of operation like that. So this is a step like that. So 49 minus 7 times 6 equals to multiply first before subtracting. So 7 times 6 equals 42. 49 minus 42 equals 7. Let me try that. 49 minus 7 times 6 equals 7. So it means that 7 times 6 should go first. So it will be 42, and then 49 minus 42 equals 7. Wow, this solves today is a bit tricky, isn't it? Because they can use multiply first sign. They can use to multiply the number first before to subtract the numbers to solve for that. That is it for me. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.